हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल विदिशा की दुनिया में आप सभी का स्वागत है। एज टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल अबाउट वेरी लाइक इट्स फॉर मी सरप्राइज एंड इट्स also for you all surprise, and if you share my surprise that time you also feel so surprised, and I hope so you all are fine and keep going on this winter vacation. We have to wear warm clothes, and as you already know that. And today I feel so lucky in this world because though like I got a special gift, but that is not the fact, because I found someone who like give me like the chance as to become a good friends. And there are a lot friends in my life, there are the like mostly so many friends in my life. They are my friend, they are in my heart, and I always keep them in my prayer also. But like I'm here in a TTI, like I found here also the beautiful friends, the beautiful guys, and we had a like some interaction. We used to do many things in our life. As we are going on, keep going on. And I was so excited to make one video, because I have to make, because किनभने चाहिँ मैले बनाउनै पर्ने थियो, because she make me such a like surprise, because I have ever received from anyone in my life. Like I know I'm already so lucky in this world, because I have friends, I have a mother, I have a father in my life. But today I'm expressing something you all, that we had like some games in our like Christmas previous, because we have a holiday that time and we are at home, and so we can't meet our friends. And that time we play some games. We had play like Christ friend, we can call in like Christianity. Means most of the Christians, they know about the Christ friend. But when I'm here, that time only I came about this Christ frame. And last time also, this December, like 2020 December also, we played that game. And I don't know my name, who chose me my name, I don't know that person. But I was just thinking, I was thinking about this someone, but that person is not my Christ friend. He didn't have me or Christ friend as a Christ friend, but somebody else. I've never expected that person also. And it make me so blessed today, and I feel that God is present in my friends, and every time the people around me makes me happy, so happy. But this time I feel so surprised. And so I'm going to tell about my one of the best friend, and who make me so blessed in this world. 66 Treza Pasankit, Premika, Celestina, and Suju. I'm so glad to you all that I have a friend like you, because I don't have words to express you all that. I love you so much, and especially today will make me so blessed ahead. I love you so much, Treja, and thank you so much. The way you are represent the gift, I like so much that I don't know what is present inside the things which makes me happy. Not that is not the happiness, but the feelings of the way you represent me as a Christ friend. That is the best. I love you, Teresa. Thank you so much for making me the so blessed person in this world. And I promise you all, 66, that I will be good friends for you, and it will be, this friendship will be there forever. I will promise you all. And what she give me and what makes me so glad is that, and as you know already, that in the previous video, what I like the most, as you know, that the book is very important in my life. The book is the best gift in my life. So guys, please watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as much as possible. You can share, because this is also you can learn from this video also, though it was just like represent the friendship goals and all. No, and it is important for you all that you have also so many friends. You are also lucky like me. You have also many friends, as I know, and we have to make friends, and we have to love them. We have to care them as our our family, the friendship will be remains forever, as we already know that, we all know that. So keep going on. So please bear with me and see my gifts. What I receive is the way she represents the gifts is very best, and I love this Teresa very much. Way you represent the gift for me is very blessed, and way you think, maybe you think many days, what should I give to my friends, Goma, like that. Maybe you have thinking the so many hours, so many days, maybe. But that thinking you thought of me, and you're present for me, the something you want to make me happy, that is my best gift. Whatever present in inside, I don't care about. I am I feel very blessed, and I like this one gift also. But that is not that the gifting some and give someone and I feel blessed, that is not the way of representing the happiness. But the happiness is that the way you represent, the way you give, way you care, that is very important, no? So I'm so lucky to have you, friend like you, the Teresa. I feel so blessed, and today even my friends are like, you are getting so special gift, wow, Goma, that makes, but they are feeling that Goma getting so much of gift like that, maybe. But that is not the thing. But that is the thing is that I feel so like cry, because in this I ever received this kind of a gift, and this time I'm receiving this kind of visit, so it makes me so like heartfelt. And I love you, Teresa. Thank you very much for this special gift. I can't express in the words, though the words is also small, but my heart, my love is always for you, Teresa. And I promise you I can be a good, not only the Christ friend, not only the good friends, not only I will be a best friend forever. So I love you and thank you so much. And this was the best, the way you represent my gift. And inside here, the most important gift in my life, I already told you that, the book. I love the most book. I mostly prefer the love story book, and this time you give me the kind of another type of yes, you also encourage me. This time you encourage me that you don't have to learn, and you don't have to start read only the love story book. You should have to read the other type of books also. So it makes me so encouragement. So thank you so much, and this is my best gift everlasting. And thank you so much, Teresa. Guys, also you can also read these books. And next I have this dupatta. As I already told you that I used to wear mostly the kurtas and all, no, I used to wear only the salwar suit, and this is the very best gift I have ever received. And thank you so much, and it's very beautiful color also, and I like this much so much. I like it. I like this dupatta very much, Teresa, and I love you for this. And I have very special gift. I have so many gifts today I got, and I feel so lucky. And because the gift is also the way of representing the happiness, but the person who is giving you, that person is very special in my life. And this one I was not expecting, like you will give me the life best gift is like that. And this kurti is so special for me, and I love you, Teresa, for this. Thank you so much, Teresa, for this kurti. And this collar shoot me, everyone tell me, I will wear, and I will send you this pic also to you all. And another gift I have received is that from Suju. Suju, thank you so much for this gift, for these earrings. I love earrings, and I can be represent this with these earrings, the full dress I received today. And today I feel like a queen, the friends make me so queen and the blessed. And I have a goal in my life is that I should be a good friends in my life. I was just thinking about that only. I can be helpful to somebody, I can be care about the somebody. I just want to be that only. I want to be I want to be a good daughter, I want to be a good human being, I want to be a good teacher, I want to be a good wife, the future days to come. I want to be a good parent also. So like that, I feel today queen of the friendship. So thank you so much, Treja and Aruna also for giving me this beautiful gift. Thank you so much, Aruna, as well as. And guys, what about that is that the just representing the like just receiving the gifts is not makes us happy. Is that the happiness is that when you do the keep hard working to your friendship, no, then you will automatically get the so many blessings from them. If you do the like, if you do your best, if you do the best friendship to others, no, then if you give the best friendship goals to others, then it will automatically comes under you like that from the God only. From God also you will receive the so many blessings like that. Today I feel that I found the God in my friend, that is from Teja as well as from all my TTC friends. And so thank you so much guys, and keep watching my video. And I want to tell you all that please take care of your friends and love your friends. Always make them happy and try to always help them in the any situations, and give your best time to your friends. And I love you all friends, and you all also are my part of my life. And though I'm using these blogs and all, and guys keep going on those who are watching me, and please try to share this message to everyone. And hope you all like this video, though it was a very small, but it was very blessed. It was created by a God. And I know today God, even the God, I feel so thankful to you that you give me such a friend who always cares about me, who always loves, who always teach me on many things in my life. So thank you so much guys for giving me a love, and thank you so much Treja, especially this thanks goes to you. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much, and I love you, and God bless you, and always be smile guys everyone. Okay, bye bye.